Hi guys, so I hope you like my little Valentine's Day everything, including this Valentine's Day edition box of MustbMine. MustbMine is a jewelry subscription box. So I've been a part of a jewelry subscription box that you had to send the jewelry back, and it's like the most heartbreaking thing ever, especially like you're afraid you're gonna break it or something like that and you're gonna get charged for it. But with MustbMine, you get to keep all of your jewelry, and I think that is so cool. I have not peeked. I'm so excited to see what is in here. All I know is that it's Valentine's Day stuff, so this is what the package looks like. So this is like my first unboxing ever. I always peek in everything. Dear Jess, happy Valentine's Day. Let all that you love be done in love. Oh, we got something peeking out. Get back in there. And look at this cute little touch of the little heart sticker. I don't want to break the heart. That seems like bad luck. I don't want any bad juju. So I'm going to rip the heart off. Oh. Okay, so. Alright, so this is the little thing that keeps popping out. What is this? This is the pen. Ooh. So it's a nice little like fine tip pen, and it has a cute little heart keychain on it. That's the cutest thing I think I've ever seen. And it's not jewelry related, so I feel like this is kind of like a cute little freebie. And this little chain also comes off. Maybe you wanted to like put it on your phone or something. Alright, so I'm excited. I need to get into the box. So we have these little satchels with the MustbMine logo on them. I always keep these because I feel like I could put something in them, like especially if you're traveling, you can put your jewelry in here or you can keep your jewelry in here. But I'm gonna peek and see what's in here. Oh, it's a ring. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's gold and I love gold. So they ask you your ring size. My gosh. I like this because it's a statement ring, but it's also like still delicate in a way because it kind of wraps around. I think that's so cute. Okay, next, I'm really excited. Oh, sorry, it's like kind of tangled, so I'm just gonna untangle it before I show it to you guys. This is so pretty. So it's a rose. So this is a bracelet. Can you look at that charm? That is so pretty. I love gold. I very rarely will I wear silver. This is so pretty. I don't know if you guys know this, but my middle name is Rose. So my grandma's name is Rosemary. And so my parents gave me my middle name after her, so I'm just like super in love with everything with roses. And this has like this has a tightener. I can't show you guys on camera because I can't do this with one hand, but you just pull the tightener down and it will get tighter to your wrist. This is what it looks like on my fat wrist. I think this is so pretty. I've not seen anything like that either. I'm so in love with this. And this is what it looks like on the back. Again, it's like a statement piece, but it's still really delicate and like feminine. Alex got lucky. He doesn't have to buy new jewelry this Valentine's Day because MustbMine did. Alright, this is the last thing in here. I'm gonna... Sorry, I'm gonna, it's kind of tangled up. It looks like they kind of tied it together so that it doesn't like move around and break. But this is a necklace with the same charm. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. I'm so in love with this. I'm gonna have to wear this every day. So it's like a full rose stem. And it's got the two little leaves and the pretty little rosebud. Alright guys, so now that I've obsessed over my pieces, I'm sorry, I just could barely speak until I opened up what was in there. I was so excited. I love jewelry. I just spend so much of my money on makeup for my channel, obviously, that I just don't really have the money to like buy myself jewelry. This is the only ring I've ever bought myself, and it's like I've had it for 3 years and it looks like it's gone through, it looks like it's been run over by a car, but I love it. So for anybody who is interested in the monthly subscription box, this is the Valentine's Day box, which you can get until the end of the month. So you have 18-ish days from the day that I'm filming this to get the Valentine's Day box. I think it is so cute. I love a theme, anything. First of all, obviously, I like to decorate and theme it up. But it is a $29.99 subscription per month. They do have a code right now that I found on their website to get your first box for $9.99, and then it'll follow and be $29.99. I think that's a great deal only because you get to keep all of the jewelry and it's all $100 value. So log on, do your thing, sign up, and then you get to like tell the stylist like what pieces you like. That way they have an easier time picking the pieces that you will like for you. And then they ship it to you and you get 3 pieces and they're all yours. That's the coolest part of this entire thing is like you get to keep everything. So I've been a part of jewelry subscription boxes before, but you had to ship it back, and that's like the most like depressing thing ever. You find like your favorite piece ever, or what happens if like this ring, one of the things falls off and then I send it back? Do I have to pay for that? You know what I mean? So you get to keep it yourself, so that's awesome. I was so excited when I found that out. One of my favorite things about subscription boxes is that like someone else is picking it for you and sending it to you. So it might not be something that you would pick out for yourself, but once it's on you, you may love it. And it's always cool to try new things and be forced into things like that. And especially if you're getting $100 worth of jewelry, if you don't like it, shoot, just re-gift it or something like that. But I love everything, even the cute little pen that they send. I'm so in love with this box so much. I will have all of the details that I mentioned down below, as well as all of the links. Thank you so much to MustbMine for working with me and sending over this gorgeous jewelry. My boyfriend Ozio, thank you as well, since he doesn't have to buy me jewelry now. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you have a great day. You will subscribe to my channel. You will get the MustbMine subscription box as well. I am your favorite YouTuber.